This pool is split in half by a little wall, as you can see there, as I drop you. Kids like walking on that. It's a little deep. Maybe if you're 7.5, 8-year-old, that's probably about as youngest you want to be on this side. Here's Ryan, but he's with his mama. And Tyler. This is the kids of Raylene and Danny. And that island out there, where it says no clavados, go diving, that island has iguanas on it most of the day. And the kids, younger kids, boys like to chase them. And the iguanas will swim and climb up trees and all kinds of fun stuff. There's also a waterfall. That's fun to go under. They play music. Over to the left. To the right there is the food service area. You can have lunch and dinner while the other one's closed. That's where they play music. For the swimmers. And there you have a seat. You can get some shade with the umbrellas. They have daily specials on the drinks, 2 for 1 for 78 pesos or 73 or something like that. Hola. La película de Mayan Palace.
Película.
Yeah. And you can get 4 beers for 120 pesos, which is about 10 bucks. 250 a beer is not bad. And there's the bar and food place, kitchen. I got a word. Good drinks, good food here. Hola. And then towards that way is the beach. And to the right is the sales building. Also, they want to call it Bella Vista Restaurant Bar, which is really just a building they do the international sales in. La Olla Beach Bar was not open since we were here. There are baños over there though, to the right, and the playa is over straight. That is kind of a model where they show the people who are trying to sell them timeshares model of the rooms. Very nice. The waterfall up close. Try not to get too many people. That's fun to go under. And now we'll head to the beach.